$139 GameStop right now. Shorts peeing their pants, $140 GameStop. AMC at 10:52. People piling on, calling their friends, calling their family, calling their relatives. Let's get back on the train. This thing's going to the moon. 20 minutes ago, people asking, is it too late to buy AMC? Is it too late to buy AMC at $8.50? Is it too late to buy it at $9? Is it too late to buy it at $10? We're at $10.57 now. GameStop, $144. Is it too late to get on the train at $90? I missed it. It's almost doubled from there. $145 GameStop right now. I don't know that the Nokia caboose is connected to this train, to be honest. It does not appear so. Although it has seen a small boost, I do not believe it's connected to this train at this time. AMC is definitely connected, and GameStop is the locomotive in the front. What's the name of the next stop? GAYMF. And that's actually just a small trade we placed in here based on the social media growth of GAYMF. Galway Metals. Basically a name recognition play. Now GameStop is up 220% for the day, guys. How high will AMC go? Who knows at this point, right? They are both shooting for the moon. Those charts would be lining up a lot tighter if GameStop wasn't suspended twice before the close. That's right, Matthew. GAYMF. Who are you calling Galway Metal? Oh, Shorty, you sold your AMC today for a 2K loss. It was tough. You got to do what you got to do. Sometimes you got to take the L, take the profit. This is hard to watch for you that sold. But look at how beautiful it is for everyone. Oh my goodness, you guys. 250% gains. $156 GameStop right now. $156 GameStop. $159. This thing is unstoppable. It has fueled up, and we are going to the moon right now. Oh my goodness. 162. 162, 166. There's no stopping GameStop right now. The squeeze is on, guys. AMC at 1121 right now. The squeeze is on. It is on $170. $170 GameStop right now. Unthinkable to the media. Unthinkable to the hedge funds. Tears of joy. As I said before, if you guys have families to feed, if you're in this thing deep, take some profit off the top and feed your families, pay your bills. If you can afford to ride this thing to the moon, if you can afford to gamble, hold on tight, because you're on a rocket ship right now. Ultra gold coin, power of the people when united. You know, interesting irony how this whole thing came together with GameStop and the gamification of the stock market, and at the same time GameStop's logo, power to the player. Janice, rescue me. I'm in 181. Quit saying $1,000 GameStop. Think bigger. Think bigger. Wow, look at the strength of these stocks in after hours, guys. Never, ever seen anything like this, except for a few weeks ago. And everybody knows it. Everyone knows this happened a few weeks ago, and it could run right back around. It could come right back. That's why we're seeing these buy orders pile in. I tried to set a limit order. I tried to set a limit order on my GameStop for $1,000. You know what my broker told me? You can't. You can't set a limit order for $1,000. They said that's way out of the range. I said, you're crazy. They said I had to call him. So I called him. $166 GameStop right now. 271% up on the day. 167. Conan O'Brien pooping his pants right now after investing in GameStop. $172, guys. AMC, baby. Fake Advil. Welcome back to the chat. Just sold all your Bitcoin for AMC. Calls Friday, $10. $177 GameStop right now. AMC pushed above $11, $11.23. Conan played it right, all right. Shi Tong, what am I watching? I know. Is it insanity or what? What is going on? Power to the players. What's happening? You accidentally clicked on the video, went back in time to $47 GameStop. Get to the live version. Scroll to the right. Get to the live version. It is mind-blowing. Awesome. Fake Advil. If you got to take some profit, you're profiting off of your AMC shares. 388 at 993. So many stories I've heard like that in this chat. You guys, I'm so happy for every single one of you. 174 now on GameStop, guys. How far does this go? How far does it go? How much does it continue? How much coverage is it going to get? How many more people are going to join on the rocket ship now? We saw millions and millions of people add to their brokerage account. This has only been going on for what? Maybe a half an hour, since we've started to see this meteoric rise. More people joining on board in after hours. What's going to happen in the morning at open? $47 GameStop was 2 hours ago. City King, you missed this one. What's happening? You'll know quick. You'll know real soon. Look at GameStop. Look at the charts on the screen. Look at the meteoric rise. AMC above $11. GameStop up 295% on the day. I got to do the math again. Where's Roaring Kitty at now? Holy moly. $179. This will not stop. $180. Up over 300%, guys. 300%. Wow, $8.9 million profit for DFV so far. $185 GameStop. It's not stopping. It's not stopping, guys. Manifesto, you say in the morning it's going to fall off a cliff. You never know. You never know. Everyone thought that, right? This is what happened to GameStop before. It ran way up. It dropped down some, right? Dropped down to $100. Then it ran to 480. 480, guys. So what's going to happen now? Now that we have millions and millions of more people aware of the movement, millions and millions more people with money in their trading accounts funded now. Look at Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping, guys. People are pulling from crypto to add to GameStop right now. Now you have that ability. right at your fingertips through the exchanges. Pull from your crypto, add right to your stock. $191 GameStop right now, guys. 193, 329% up. $330 up. $194 GameStop getting ready to push through $200. 197. Whew. $199, guys. $199. Let's go. $332%. Let's go. Couldn't quite touch through $200, but it's just refueling. We're just refueling here, guys. Okay, coming back down to 173. Coming back down to 176 for a refueling stop here. Coming back down for a refueling stop. A couple people taking profits. Got to feed the fam. More people jumping on board here, though. A lot of buying pressure still. This is not a cliff that we're falling off of at the moment. Getting rid of those paper hands. GameStop up 291% on the day. AMC is holding strong above $11 right now, guys. The shorts will be in trouble. The gamma squeeze will happen. Oh, had the music up a little loud there. Yep, we keep it. Normally this is a super chill chat and trading scenario. We stay relaxed and in the zone here. We're headed back up here. $182. Just cracked the poor man's champagne. Samsonite took that big position at 192. You're right there. You're right there, Samsonite. I'm not sure, Johnny. I don't think this will happen every month just before the month end. We thought this was a once in a lifetime opportunity. Here we are at lifetime opportunity number 2 for the GameStop. 300% gain in one day. Matter of fact, in a few hours. Losing a little bit of momentum here to be expected as we're over an hour into after hours here, guys. Matthew, do I think that the GAYMF is a good buy? I bought 100 shares just to play the market. It is jumping into the hierarchy of what's being mentioned on the social media, so just thought we'd play it. We had a little fun with it in the chat. Everybody got some shares. of the GAYMF. But not a true investment, just a strictly name play gamble. How about Naked, part of the squeeze? Not as we know it, not currently. Naked did follow us up a little bit, 33% on the day. But the main story of the day right now, AMC and GameStop. AMC and GameStop, and that's what you're going to see on the news. Naked will not hit $1,000 in my opinion, Anthony. Adrenocide didn't get his hands on the GAYMF, unfortunately. He really wanted to. Still, agreed. You guys don't get caught up in the mania. Only risk what you can afford to risk. Make sure and take care of yourselves and take care of your family. Ryan, I'm down. I'm down on GAYMF too, but it makes me smile. Has it been worth $5, Ryan? Has it been worth $5 so far? I think so. GAYMF got us through some dark days recently. No, it's not doing well, but it got us through the dark days. Everything else was red, and we needed something to play. GameStop at 162 now, 163. This could be just the beginning. Chat, Strick says, make sure and take some tendies off the top to feed the chat. We're not all about the diamond hands. We aren't the Reddit guys telling you to continue to buy as we sell. That's not our game here. We take profits. Take profits when profits are due. So Bitcoin is going down. Ethereum is going down. I think that people are pulling their crypto and investing here into AMC and GME. Nokia's at... What's Nokia doing in after hours? Don't even tell me. It's at what, 410? Dang it, Nokia. Dang it, Adrenocide convinced me to sell my Nokia finally. I was just talking about how happy I was that it's finally off my back. SPYR was a stock from earlier. It was actually up far more. It was up like 180% this morning. We're not sure why, and it's been trending downward all day, so be careful of that one, the SYPR. SYPR is what it is. The viral headquarters. I'm all or nothing. If you can afford to be all or nothing, then YOLO. I'm with you, Law Dog. Nokia is not. It's not going to the moon. Benjamin. Told your mom to buy at 50 and she didn't. Ray, thanks for that. Please hit the like button and subscribe. We're at $154 GameStop, guys, refueling the rocket right now. Let's hear a short message from Lindsay, and we'll continue the saga.
Hey, if you haven't already, please give the like button a boop on the snoot for us. And please, please, please subscribe. We keep our chat room up 24/7 so that you can join us any time of the day or night to discuss some stonks. A reminder that there are free stocks worth up to just over $1,800 in the description if you sign up using the Webull link, which is what you see in the background, as well as links to the setup we use for trading, the music we play, and the Discord link where we provide alerts for trading opportunities. Don't forget to boop our snoots and subscribe!
You guys thinking about selling. You guys getting a little bit concerned thinking about selling. Think about what's going to happen tomorrow. What's going to happen tomorrow? Play it out in your mind. Play out the future. The news hits the town tonight. The news is just starting to hit the town tonight. Twitter's going wild. Facebook's going wild. CNBC in the morning. There's nothing else going to be talked about but GameStop. All eyes on GameStop and AMC. What's going to happen? Genocide, you do not. But what is going to happen? All of these people are going to have eyes on GameStop and eyes on AMC in the morning, moving funds to their account as we speak to get back in. Thank God you said AMC too. They're definitely watching AMC too. I mean, AMC is over $10, guys. That's a double up from where we were looking at just a few days ago at $5 when we called it a buy. What's up with the insane price increase? Maximus, have you not heard of the movement? The GameStop movement headed upwards again. We're looking at a green candle here. $154, unstoppable. $155 now, headed up. Andrew, thank you for the super chat. Do you think Naked will be on that hype too? Maybe gap up. It's possible. It's possible. It did ride this train a little bit in after hours. I don't think it's going to be AMC or GameStop. I don't think all the eyes are going to be on it, but I do think some of the memes are going to ride this thing. You're even seeing Nokia gains. These are not Nokia gains on a catalyst. This is Nokia gains on the meme train. I don't think it will see the same amount of attention or gains as GME or AMC though. So our big four, right? BlackBerry, Nokia, GameStop, and AMC. BlackBerry's now up over $12 in after hours, guys. If you're still holding on to that BlackBerry, up over $12. I'm going to go ahead and group our four main memes together here in the watch list. Okay, those were the four main meme stocks. BlackBerry, Nokia, AMC, and of course GameStop. So we are seeing some tailwind off of the GameStop and the AMC move right now. So AS is saying, who is selling AMC at garbage numbers? Think triple digits, gamma squeeze for Monday. Sorry, Genocide, we gotta throw it up there. I know. Look, I'm the same way. Sold at $396 today. On the Nokia, was holding a big Nokia bag. Sold it, got it off my back. Should have dumped it into AMC. Should have bought GameStop. So how does After Hours work? After Hours is available through some exchanges. You can place buy and sell orders in After Hours to obtain shares. So as if with TD Ameritrade, if you're going to place an order in after hours, you're going to want to place an order with the EXT type, extended hours type. Ethereum back down. Ethereum coming back down to a buy level, in my opinion. A few green candles here on GameStop, back up to 157 now. Do not use market buys in after hours. Do not use market buys. Use a limit order, guys. Be smart. Get in at a good price, especially on apps like Robinhood. So the meme stock index, everything that's been hyped on Wall Street Bets in the last few weeks, guys, could see some tailwind off of this. So consider that. Consider looking at everything that has been hyped on Wall Street Bets over the past few weeks. Every one of those mentioned, people could fall back in line with these things. They could start to believe again. If they start to believe again, they'll start to buy again. They'll push the prices up. Even CTRM was one of those, right? We see CTRM sitting right there at $1.08. Another Wall Street Bets hyped stock. So consider some of the meme stocks that might follow, everything you've heard of and heard from on Wall Street Bets. The believers may come back into the market here. Wow, bought CTRM at 6 cents. That's amazing. AMC holding super strong over $10, guys. Nice job, Rezi. Nice job. I'm guessing you took a little off the top, and now all your GameStop shares are free. Now you're going to buy the dips. If any of you guys are out there doing that due diligence, that's one thing we do here at this channel is we share due diligence with our own community here. If you guys see anything else moving in after hours, see anything else majorly moving in after hours, want to bring it to our attention, we'll throw it on the watch list. Let's keep our community growing and our wealth growing within the community. Crazy Monkey, peace on earth. For sure. I post my entire portfolio results every single evening in the Discord. You guys can follow my portfolio there. It has been red over the last week, but so has the market. It looked green today. Made some nice plays today. Good point, Mark. Good point. People are going to look at AMC and say that's affordable. That's affordable still. It's only $10. I can afford that. I can't afford GameStop, especially if restrictions come into play like they did, where you can't buy partial shares anymore. You have to buy a whole share. That's what happened with GameStop last time. GameStop's at $300 and they say you can't buy partial shares anymore. So everyone with $100 in their account, $200 in the account, cannot put it into GameStop. So AMC may be going up at a slow scale compared to GME, but the truth is, GameStop average level was what, $50, $50, and AMC has been sitting around between $5 and $6. So we've seen a double in the price of AMC and a triple in the price of GameStop to this point right here. I'm not sure if Crazy Monkey is a bot now or not. Bot check, Crazy Monkey. Are you a bot? Are you a cat or are you not a cat? Andre, short float much higher on GameStop than AMC. That could be real true, because who's going to short AMC at $5? But lots of hedgies, lots of shorts felt comfortable still shorting GameStop at $40. I think he's a cat too. Wow, look at the strength, guys. GameStop holding right in the 150 area, consolidating. No heavy red candles down. No weakness at all. Moving averages trending up now. Okay. Crazy Monkey's done. He was a cat. What are you gonna do? Who is Truth Be Told? Thanks, Truth. That's also one of my pseudonyms, Truth Be Told. Yeah. Around here they call me Bulldog. Still holding strength at above $10 with AMC. Heck yeah, Truth. Nice to have you on the stream. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you guys want to join us for some more GameStop saga. We do this every day. Chat stays up 24/7. Page stays up 24/7. You can check on your Doge, your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, your Litecoin, and your stocks 24/7, 365. Thanks, Duck Trade. Happy to have you join the Trader fam here. Martin, nice to have you on the fam. Normally it's not quite so insane. We pretty much stay in the zone here, pretty chill most of the day, but when crazy things happen, it gets crazy. Seeing a little bit of weakness here, a little bit of weakness in AMC. GameStop as well, only 200% up on the day. That's okay. We're going to see some fluctuations here. This isn't just a straight shot here. And the last squeeze was not a straight shot either. We saw lots of fluctuations to a massive peak. So this isn't a massive fall off. We're down to $140. We just had a look at the run we just had. There are some profits being taken. Okay, during the peak of this scenario, we had a phone number up on the screen. Well, we still have our phone number up on the screen. You can reach me anytime, day or night. You can text me, call me, leave me a voicemail. But we were asking people to call in and tell their story about GameStop. And people who had lost everything, people who had put everything into this thing. And imagine they're getting a call from their friends or family right now. Life savings into GameStop. They bought in at $150 and thought they had lost everything, continued to hold. And they get that call now and they get to feed their family again. They get to have a home again. All right. I'm going to share one of those messages with you that we got. One of those GameStop stories that we got, guys. This is one of the voicemails we got when we were asking for stories, GameStop stories through the height of the previous GameStop saga. Here we go.
Hi, this is Fonz145 on Reddit, Wall Street Bets. I'm a 43-year-old man who lost his house in 2008, and I'm all in so far except for the last 4,000, which I have my finger on the buy button, waiting for them to drop underneath 90, so that I can smash it back on them. I'm not going to give up. I have diamond hands. I will never let go of this stock. I don't care about how much money I make. That's not what I'm in this for. I want to stick it to them because they made me go homeless for this entire time. I'm having a bit of trouble getting through on this Reddit Wall Street Bets website because they keep thinking that I'm a shill. Maybe I'm not sure because I'm kind of too new. But if I could just get a message out to them and let them know that Fonz145 is a real guy, and I'm fighting my hardest for all of us, and I'm pushing forward for us. Believe in the cause. Never give up. We are diamond hands, golden hearts with strong Jedi minds. Don't give up. This is the way. Thank you.
Fonz145 in the chat, baby. Fonz, thank you for that message, and thank you for letting us share. Fonz is in the chat, baby. You guys feel that message? Push some hearts out for Fonz in the chat. Push those hearts out in the chat, guys. All right, pulling it together. We're here rooting for you, Fonz. Amazing outpouring of love in the chat, you guys. What a great community. Amazing how this whole movement has brought so many together. Okay, all right, that's amazing, guys. Couple tears of joy there. Don't listen to Lindsay if she tells you I was crying for real. But GameStop still holding 136, up 200% on the day. Fonz, if you need to take some off the top, we completely understand. If you're going to hold this thing to 1,000, we understand that too. That's where I'm at. I'm holding my shares. I'm not letting go. Even Woo Woo's getting in on it. Even Woo Woo. So hopefully this is just the beginning of this next squeezed move, guys. Didn't think we'd see $90 GameStop today, much less $200 GameStop. But yeah, if you guys need to feed your family, take some off the top and feed your family. But if you can afford to hold, let's hold, baby. The doggy, yeah, Woo Woo does say to the moon. Woo Woo's about it. Can't believe you're in here, Fonz. Wasn't expecting that.
My heart is so cold.
Korean Ant, nice to have you in the chat. Oh, the wheel spin. Sorry, guys. I had a couple of requests for the wheel spin. We're going to spin the wheel right now. What a crazy day. Intense emotion, adrenaline running this thing up. Just absolutely crazy. Feeling for each and every one of you guys and the millions of people who bought into these stocks to be part of the movement. Fake Advil, we love you, Fonz. This is the way. Doggy. Doge is running? Doge at a nickel 5. Roaring Kitty tweeted? What was the tweet? There we go, got the wheel back working again. There's the first wheel spin request. Second wheel spin request coming in now. Okay, we're headed back up, guys. Oh, sorry, Valdez. Held the GME at $50, in at 161 a share, was holding for a month and choked. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right, because we're headed back to the moon now. It's not too late. AMC only at $10, guys. We saw this thing hit 20, no problem. Last squeeze hit 20. GameStop at 144. Up 218% on the day. Greg Jones sold your GameStop yesterday at 45. Donald's calling 15 on the AMC. I can see that real easily. Roaring Kitty. All right, still holding $140. $140 a share on GameStop was the unthinkable. Fishing, buy high, sell low. This is my way. That's all right. Can't win them all. Did he? Okay. Got Roaring Kitty's Twitter up here. Three minutes ago, he tweets the cat dancing with the guy playing the bongo drums. Buy more, you said? Okay, you guys make sure and subscribe. I'm going to throw something up here. Going to throw the tweet up in the... So make sure and subscribe in case something happens to the stream. You can come right back to the stream. Show you guys the tweet here. This is Roaring Kitty 5 minutes ago. He must be paying attention, guys. 1.4 million views already. GameStop going up, $141. Just wanted to share that with you guys. And share this privilege to share this tremendous moment with you, as I was last time this happened. Got the tendies. Tendies are happening. If he tweets more, we could see more tweets. Last time Elon got in on the tweets. We need Elon to get in on the tweets. Please do smash the like button, guys. That does help. Every time that like button turns blue, GameStop adds another $1. Adds another $1 to the share price. Trev says, if you're not in GameStop, what are you even doing? Power to the players. Just Do, I feel you, brother. Just Do says, I don't even care if it goes back down. I'm holding for Fonz. Buying more. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 141 on GameStop. Law Dog, much appreciated. The likes get to 700. GameStop goes back to 200. Hi-Fi Tommy, just found the channel today. Welcome to the channel, Hi-Fi. Nice to have you here. We do this every day, 24/7. We're only here for commentary during the day. I can't stay awake 24/7, but as a lot of these chat loyalists can attest to, I'm usually here 24/7 anyway. Lit bought 100 more shares of each today. Diamond Arms, look at those diamonds. Raptor up $200 through shares. Awesome. David, did I notice the GameStop ad on my phone? I was just on GameStop earlier. I bought Xbox. I bought an Xbox from GameStop earlier today. They dropped the Xbox Series X. Bought the bundle for $709, which is where I'd like to see GameStop shares tomorrow. I'd like to see AMC. I could see AMC hitting $20. Okay, I've heard wild price targets for AMC upwards of $100. Okay, some people even calling for $1,000, although the probability is low. The probability that AMC hits $20, I think, is high at this point. Thanks, Hi-Fi Tommy. Glad to have you here and hope to see you back here. A lot of the soldiers that have stuck with me since the first saga have earned their wrench already in this room. Options on Friday. Options on Friday, guys. If this holds through Friday, it's going to be absolute mania. These things could go through the roof going into next week. Remember, the squeeze on GameStop, it didn't happen overnight last time, okay? It took weeks. It took 4 weeks for that GameStop squeeze to set up. So someone has a $10 call. You have a $10 call on AMC. My guess is the volatilities went through the roof. JC, if I did a call to sell at $10, which I didn't expect for it to go up, and now it way over, does that mean I have to sell since my order was filled? If your order was filled, then it is sold. If your order has not filled, you can still cancel your order. So jump on your broker and see what you're looking at there. Ray Silver says poutine, pups, and power plays in the Discord. Check it out. Kitties too. There are real cats in the Discord. What are my thoughts on phantom shares? Asked Trev. I think it's insanity. I think we need more transparency. You can't have phantom shares. You can't have... it's like Elon tweeted out. This is what Elon tweeted out last time. He says, you can't sell a house you don't own. You can't sell a car you don't own. How can you sell a stock you don't own? So the games in the stock market need to change. And this situation and this movement has shed light on all of those scenarios. Okay, all of the back alley deals that have been happening in Wall Street with so much money to lobby and change the laws and make the laws their own. This is one of the greatest parts of this movement. Unfortunately, our lawmakers are still learning from retail investors, interviewing Roaring Kitty to find out what's going on. They've made things so complicated. Right on, Law Dog. 5 more likes. 5 more likes and we start heading for the moon again. 2 more. Han trying to understand why AMC has gone up today. If you have not been paying attention, there's a movement behind AMC. Retail traders are holding a majority of the stocks. As far as we can tell from the data we have, retail traders are still holding majority of the stocks. Nope, it's not because of J-PAL and the interest rate freeze. Not at all. This was a squeeze we were expecting on AMC. Stranger, can I unlike and relike? You can. I'm not sure it does anything. Trev, you've had your cran fill for the day. That's enough crayons. So GameStop still holding $135 in after hours. $136. Crayons. What do you say up there in Canada, Genocide? Crayons? You say crayons, eh? Crayons, eh? It's a Canadian thing. Hey. Crayons, eh, mate? I dare anyone to short meme stocks right meow too. Hold it down. Crayons. Shrimp on the Barbie. Shrimp on the Barbie makes me laugh. There's a meme where there's like a Barbie doll with some shrimp sitting on it. The old shrimp on the Barbie. No doot about it. Yeah, Tim. Should we sell or hold? That's up to you and your financial situation. No financial advice given, no financial advisors on the scene. That said, hold. Hold strong, guys. Crayons. Crayons on the Barbie. Green crayons. Hold or sail, fam. Look at the charts from last time. What it does tell you is this can happen again. This can go higher again. The last time GameStop went to this price, it went double. It went doubled again. Lots of news, lots of new traders, lots of new money in the stock market right now. So this thing could go anywhere. That old Cajun cook dude saying, carry-ons. Don't get the FOMO, Adrenocide. You know what happens. You know what happens. Although AMC looking pretty tasty. Looking pretty tasty under $10 right now. With anything that could happen. Anything could happen. Spencer, card collector. Haven't seen you in a while. Nice to see you back here, Spencer. I'm not selling until 1,000 either. Reefer Fish flexing back in the chat. You picked a good day. You picked a good day, Reefer. So, Hi-Fi Tommy, the shorts can deliver those shares back at any time. There isn't necessarily a day they can deliver them back. You can buy your short back anytime. You short the stock, and then you buy it back and you deliver it back. What they do have is interest due on the borrowing of the shares. Asian exchanges red is good. So basically, you can look at it like Asia's either a day behind us or a day ahead of us. So what happened yesterday was we had the big crash in the morning, and I believe Asia was reacting to that this morning when their markets were open. Look at the thumbnail. Is GME dead? I know. Still relevant, right? Still relevant. Oh, Spencer, you guys are there in after hours? Awesome. Well, I haven't been around in after hours very often lately, but here I am. Lindsay's not in the room, Adrenocide, so if you need any help with that, let me know. Wink, wink. I think she heard me. Uh-oh. Here she comes.
What did you just say about me?
Nothing. I have no idea what you're talking about, but I will hold. It could pass 200 tomorrow. I could see that.
That'll never happen, Adrenocide.
I hear that's never going to happen, Adrenocide. Don't give up hope, though.
Don't give up hope.
Woo woo. Is woo woo still making noise? I'm so used to hearing him go woo woo. Jovi. Yeah, look at this. They're over. Brand new to the chat, but thank you for staying on today. We needed it. Yeah, amazing. I could not miss out on this. I mean, the rally into the end of the day was just wild. It was a nice green day. We had been suffering through some red days lately, and those have been the tough days to stay. So it looks like our heating fuel oil truck is pulling up to fill up the heating fuel. So give me 2 minutes to direct him, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to watch this thing until after hours close, guys. I'll be here. I just need to make sure that the fuel goes in the correct tank. All right, got that sorted out. Got it sorted out. Up here in the middle of Alaska, guys, if you're just new to the channel, we're broadcasting to you from the middle of Alaska, playing this game Stop Stop right now. Up to $139 a share, consolidating around $130, $140 a share, 140 and going up still. AMC back up above $10. Did I get it in the right? Yeah, the guy's gonna handle it. They come out and deliver our 300 gallons of heating fuel. We got it in the fall, lasted us all the way until now, even at sub-zero temperatures. How do you guys get the blue name with the wrench by your name, says C. Walters. You don't want to know. You don't want to know what they have to do. The dog's name, Woo Woo. The dog's name is Woo Woo. You guys are welcome to buy Woo Woo toys with super chats. That's already happened. Law Dog threw down on a super chat, got Woo a new toy. He's super enjoying it. Do you supplement with wood? No, we had a wood stove all last year, and we did not enjoy the wood stove. I mean, a wood stove is great at a cabin, or it's great for temporary, but every day, all day, cutting wood, getting wood, fire going out in the middle of the night, and then going out in the cold in the morning, not the most fun as your primary heat source. And heating fuel is honestly the cheapest way to heat here. So, I mean, 300 gallons at the beginning of the fall was only about $640. So we've heated all winter so far on $640. Super cheap. GameStop up to 146 now. I'm liking it. Showing strength. We've got some upward momentum here, guys. Law Dog says a pellet stove, but Alaska is all about oil and gas. That's where Alaska makes a lot of its revenue. So they're kind of anti-pellet stove here, and the shipping on pellets is crazy. So we don't get pallets of pellets for pellet stoves cheap like you guys do down there. But we do have direct air. I put in all the we built this house. We built this house this year, last summer, with our own hands. A couple friends helped. First rule of Wrench Club: we don't talk about Wrench Club. I have some friends that were in the Gold Rush, on the Gold Rush show. They were some of the guys that were running the boats out of Nome, and they would run the big long dredge and the diving suit out in Nome. They're still doing it, actually. Not on the show anymore. Got kicked off the show a little bit too wild. Tim, 800 people, awesome. You guys, thanks for joining us for this GameStop saga. Now pushing up against $150 a share. Fonz, if you're out there and you need to take some profit from these guys, man, do it. If it's the shorts buying the shares back from you right now, if this is part of the short squeeze, take some of their money, man. Your story's been very moving to many of us. I did talk to some people I know over at Reddit, and I pushed your story out over there as far as I could. How low do I think it'll get before pre-market tomorrow? So I think we're going to trade in this range, honestly. I think we'll trade in the 130 to 150 range if we don't push higher with more people seeing the news. And then we're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens in pre-market. We're already starting to push higher than consolidation. We've broken trend lines already. AMC at 1040 now. Nothing really. Holding 20K AMC. Right on. Holding strong. You know, just my opinion on AMC. What do I think is going to happen? I think it's going to go higher. I think we're going to go higher here. Not only today, but over the next few days. And if we hold strong through Friday, when all these calls, all the options expire, if people call their shares, this thing, they're going to be forced to buy shares, and the price is going to absolutely skyrocket come Monday. Pinoy product. If AMC goes to $50, I'll donate 30% of my profits to charity. That's amazing. That's amazing. You know what's crazy is you don't hear that from the hedge funds, right? They'll take off what they can to get by their taxes. But we've seen so much good done from the profits from the last time from GameStop and the last squeeze. GameStop just pushed through. Now it's at 156, guys. 156 and trending upwards. But it's the little guys that give back. And if you guys know anybody that works as a waitress or a waiter, then you know that it's the worker that tips the best. It's not the guy in the suit. Keller, you're a waiter, so you know what I'm talking about. You guys know what I'm talking about. We got to give back to each other. $158 now on GameStop and trending up. More people jumping aboard. The news is spreading. 159. That's what I like to see, guys. Let's go. Let's go, GameStop. Come on. Come on, GameStop. Push through. $158. Keller, you sold your AMC. Got to do what you got to do. Got to take them profits off the top. Sometimes those diamond hands can sink you to the bottom. Law Dog, because of them likes, good looking out. Law Dog on the likes, we are pushing GameStop up. Adrenocide, I am not holding AMC at the moment. I am holding GameStop, though. You know, I called the buy at $5 on AMC, and yet didn't buy any. Thought, well, I'll be bright and make more moves intraday and so forth. I'm not so much of a swing trader as I am a day trader. Spencer, you thought those diamond hands at 85 would sink me, so I'm glad I held. Good deal. So, Bo, do I think Robinhood will fill your AMC $11 call option tomorrow? I think that immediately those options are going to be skyrocketing. Skyrocketing. I'll FOMO with you a little bit, Adrenocide. I'll get in with you. You want to help the cause? Buy some AMC right now, Adrenocide. Let's buy some AMC. So they're over. Somebody teach me options. So if you guys join the Discord, we have excellent options, educational material in the Discord, and also great community of people there to help you out day and night. Don't tempt me. I'll buy some more GME right now. Let's buy. Let's buy, guys. This is what happened last time. This is how I got my $265 GameStop. We got Hyphy in the chat. And I said, I can't talk about this without being involved. The community was so passionate. So I bought. Dragonite says, there will be no dip. This is the dip. Yeah, the Discord is great. There's great educational materials in there. We're adding to it every day. The community puts their due diligence together to help each other out. And it makes a big difference. Makes a big difference. It's good to have this ability to bounce ideas off of each other and ability to see what the market sentiment is, right? When you've got 2,000 people showing market sentiment, you can get an idea of what the overall market sentiment is on an idea or a trade. That's up to you. Southern Fun, buy AMC right now. Should I buy AMC right now? I don't know, JP, which platform allows you to buy till 8. I know I can still buy through TD Ameritrade. I believe Webull has pretty good extended hours. That's a great advice, Andre. Andre has some great advice in here. Trade your first options in paper trading mode. Definitely good. Practice in paper trading. See how you can lose everything in a matter of no time with options. There is Webull. Webull, there's a link in the description for Webull. If you guys want to support the channel, sign up through that link and you get 2 free stocks. And the channel also gets a stock. So we do appreciate you guys using that link. You can buy in after hours with Webull, yes. Until 6. Purple Dude says until 6 with Webull. So Green Rush, you have 20 calls for AMC. That's going to be awesome. That's going to be an awesome payday. I'm holding a couple calls right now. I'm holding calls on PDAC, PDAC. That's a lithium battery recycler. SPAC that just merged with Li-Cycle, the lithium battery recycler. So I have some April $12.50 strike price calls on PDAC that look like they're going to pay off. PDAC is headed up, so they're already up a little bit actually. Totally up to you whether to buy right now or wait for the dip. Totally up to you. Sundial still $1.51 Sundial now. Unexpected. So far, Schwab has no restrictions and fees with penny stocks. Webull, Robinhood, Ameritrade, and even Fidelity restricted me from buying certain stocks, by the way. So that's true, and I've learned some new things about Fidelity. Fidelity had liquidated some people's positions in AMC through the last squeeze. They liquidated people's positions without considering them. I heard of a few other exchanges that also did this to people. So AMC ran up to $17, dropped down to $6.50, liquidated people's positions at $6.50, and then ran back up towards $20. I don't ever exercise my options. I always sell. Don't use money you can't afford to lose. Good point, Lazy. Right now, things are looking very squeeze-worthy. So Sounding 6, you would think that would be the case only if you're leveraged, but no, there are cash accounts. Cash accounts were liquidated. And if you send me a text, I'll send you a link to a personal account of a guy on YouTube who this happened to. His account was liquidated. It doesn't sound legal. You know, almost every exchange only allowing sell positions, not allowing buys. That doesn't sound legal either, but we just watched that happen. We all went through that. And then limiting the amount of stocks that you can buy to force downward pressure in the market absolutely sounds illegal, but we just watched it happen. shorting 130%, borrowing 130% of a stock's amount of shares. Should that be legal? Does that sound legal? Absolutely not. But we just watched that happen too. GameStop at $153. $153 GameStop after trading in the $40 range today. Yep, Fidelity did do some restrictions. True, we have criminals running the show, and hopefully this situation sheds light on it. We have more eyes on this situation than ever before. And we have regulators meeting. They're going to have some more hearings about it as they continue to learn about it. They are, you can look deeper into what's going on with the SEC and the major hedge funds and the money and the power in the situation, but it's good that the whole world is looking at this now and bringing light to it. The stock market is an absolute, some words I can't even say here, but in a lot of ways a joke and a game. I could show you guys some things. I've showed some of my moderators some things in the Discord that would make you sick about the stock market. You guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, we're going to expose some of these things that we've found about some of these stocks. We've found shell company upon shell company upon shell company. And we have evidence of many of these things. Many different stocks. Stocks I'm even in. Stocks I've been holding over the last few weeks. Gonna hit that wheel spin. Ooh. Which number in Discord do you want them to join? So there's a link in the description. There's also a link that flies through the chat here every now and then. To the Discord, join the main chat. You'll be alerted. I think the bots have taken control of the wheel here, guys. There we go. Okay, wheel looks better. GameStop holding $150, completely unexpected strength in GameStop. I did think that there could be a run like this, but I did not expect it to hold this strength like this. I would have expected much more volatility. First try. Your wheel sounds like my mom. Bye, bye, bye. Okay. If AMC drops below $10, if it drops below $10, I will buy and push it back up above $10. Yep, they didn't learn their lesson. The hedgies didn't learn their lesson the first time. You guys, they traded these short positions around. They sold them back and forth between each other last time to bail each other out. Not that they're friends, but the other hedge funds were happy to take those shorts, especially when GameStop was so high. Andrew, good. Go hit the weights, man. Invest in yourself. It's good to invest in yourself as well as the stock market. We preach that every day. Every day around lunch, we make sure everyone gets up, moves around, does some push-ups, whatever their ability may be. They do. They have a "we'll show you" attitude. You're exactly right about that. We're right, and you guys are incompetent, uneducated investors, retail investors. That is the hedge fund mentality. Because they've been making all the money for so long, taking it right off of our back, trading in hours that we can't trade in, trading in speculative investments with margin that we can't trade in. Andrew, much love. Naib, it's not just us, man. There are millions of people people from all around the world. Just so you guys know, through the chat, since this GameStop thing has happened, just this tiny little chat, okay, has had over 250,000 people run through it over the GameStop thing. Just about the GameStop thing, just this one tiny little YouTube channel has had over 250,000 people run through looking at the GameStop situation, looking to find out if GameStop is dead. Millions and millions of people found out about this situation, found out about the movement, opened trading accounts. So it's not just us, but it's a plethora of retail investors. It's the 7.7 million new members of Wall Street Bets. And it's their friends, it's their family, it's everyone that's going to call me tonight and say, just like they did last time, they're going to call me and say, should I buy GameStop? Can you buy me some GameStop? Can I give you some money and you guys can buy me some shares? Because that's what happens every time. Every time Bitcoin runs up, the same thing happens. Fishing, sign up for Webull. Use the link and we both get free stocks. Much appreciated. Even if you don't end up sticking with Webull, at least get your free stocks on there. I got some free Ford stocks when I signed up. And Ford's doing well. Ford partnered on the new USPS electric vehicle deal. Workhorse lost out, so you guys watch out for that Workhorse stock. They lost out on the USPS deal. And Ford partnered with another company. Sure, Adrenicide, I'll hook you up. Ford Pinto. You know, I know a lot of people who love those Ford Pintos from back in the day. Not a lot of people, but a few old timers I know around here that do. That's what I do. I don't trade through Webull. I keep the desktop app. I keep a few. I keep a little bit in there. I keep my level 2 on there, and it's a good resource. It's easily accessible and it's easy on the phone too. And Webull just keeps upgrading their interface. Stone Cold got into AMC at barely over $5. Feels good, man. That is awesome. It does feel good to look at that green. see that account rise is just a wonderful thing. It's been a wonderful day, guys. We getting rich, boys. Dang, I knew I liked Sense SENS. I knew I liked that at 420 earlier today. I gotta take the time to make some more trades during the day. I need to take my own advice. Thanks to Squirrel. Really do appreciate the kind words from you guys and the outpouring of support over this time. I must admit, it hasn't been completely easy. You think it's just kicking back and talking, but there's a lot that goes into it. And I do appreciate the kind words you guys send all the time through text and through the chat. Very awesome. And I am privileged to share my time with all of you wonderful people. And I say that because all of you are. Oh, it's been exhausting. I mean, so hyphy, right? It's been hours now. I mean, just adrenaline pumping through. I know some of you guys too were saying sweaty and dancing and jumping and cracking open a cold one. There are ups and downs. This thing has been a wild ride, and it's been going on for over a month. But today especially. Thanks, Aaron. I do appreciate it. There was a time I was absolutely terrified to talk to more than a couple people. So people that know me are blown away when they find out I talk to hundreds of people or thousands of people. I know, Naive. I was like a sportscaster. It was crazy. I just, you get into it. It's just the adrenaline is flowing. I'm just so happy for so many people that have been, I see pain come through the chat. I've seen lots of pain over the past weeks. People text me personally. Voicemails, lots of voicemails from guys like Fonz. So it's really awesome to see some of these guys get repaid. Some of these guys come back, Guys like Fonz, he wasn't going to sell. He wasn't going to sell for $50 and let him win. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you guys are having a good time too. I was enjoying myself. Calling it out. It was wild. Wild ride. I like living in Alaska. I was born in Alaska. Been traveled over the whole United States, and it's just awesome up here. Do I think GameStop will go higher? I'm not sure about after hours today. I think it's consolidating pretty steadily here at the 150 range now. But do I think it will go higher? I do. I personally do think it will go higher. Blessed Justice back in the chat. Nice to have you back. Longtime supporter, Blessed Justice. Tonight's movie, Pain and Gain. Would love to visit Germany. Ray, your luck is in tonight, girl. GameStop moving up again, guys. 156. Law Dog says he thinks it's going to settle around 175 tonight. Live right off FRA. You're welcome to come. You guys are always welcome to come visit in Alaska too. We actually have a small Airbnb on our property. It's affordable, like $40 a night. We've got a 4-wheeler and a canoe and lakes and fishing and moose in the backyard. You guys can always text me if you're interested. We get the Airbnb listing up for the spring, and we'll shoot you over the link. Got cars too. '89 Lambo, man. It was an '88 Fiero Formula Countach. PS5, yeah, you do need to fish in Alaska, especially if you're in Arizona fishing. A canoe, eh? Yeah, we keep a canoe around. We've got rafts too. You can go out on the rafts on the lakes around here. There's about 100 lakes within a 5-mile range around here. So the bugs can, like mosquitoes, are the state bird here, but it just depends. It depends on if it's a dry spring or not. They're really not too bad on this property. Snow Surfer, do I shred POW? Don't know how old you are, but I was shredding POW in Tahoe before it was cool. I remember you mentioned on the mic something about kimchi. Something. Are you or someone close to you Korean? I have Korean friends, but like all the Korean I speak in the chat when the Koreans come in the chat. That's just using Translate and communicating with them. We have so many people from around the world in the chat, guys, and that watch this channel. It's really amazing. Just so you know, only at first it was only like 50%, but now it's like 56% of the people that come to this channel are from the United States, and everybody else is from all over the world. Like every country you could name. Tommy, you had to go like 2 hours ago. Now you really have to go. Awesome. I'm happy you found it too, man. Looking forward to seeing you in here. Love and best wishes for Fawns for sure. Yeah, Frax says, you guys in the chat, shoot out where you're from. Let everybody know where you're from. I know we do this every now and then, and a lot of you've already said, but let everybody know where you're from. It's nice to see how this movement has brought people together from all around the world. Right here, we're from Alaska. SoCal, Ohio, Michigan, Arizona, Dayton, Sweden in the house. We had Netherlands earlier. Niagara Falls, Michigan, Colombia, Denmark in the house. Murica gang. California, Norway, Southern California, Switzerland, Ontario, Sweden, Pennsylvania, Boston, New Jersey, Canada, Oklahoma, See what I'm saying, guys? Norfolk, UK, Sweden, Vegas, Ohio, Quebec, Germany, Sri Lanka in the chat, guys. Colorado, someone on the moon. That's where we're all headed. Love Korea, Georgia, Connecticut, Oklahoma, Romania in the house, Galveston, Texas, Pamir. Don't even know where that's at, but it's awesome. Norway, South Florida, Italy in the house, Scotland in the house, Upstate in the house, Michigan, South Florida. Shout out to the world. Hag Island. Is it? Oh, Scotland. Right on, Ray. Chicago, Portland. We got someone from the hood. Detroit. Hungary. Chicago. I mean, look at that, guys. Texaco. Really cool. Worldwide out here. British. South Carolina. San Diego. Liverpool, guys. Vietnam. The only one beast in Vietnam. Got Motor City in the house. Ireland. Liftoff. Got Junior. Hey, Scottsdale. What's up? JP from Scottsdale. Put my time in at Desert Mountain High School down there at Scottsdale. Played 5A ball down there. We got codes. Area codes. Portugal. LA, the 520. Cardiff. Awesome. Brook Long in Daheezy. Got the 409. Moldova. Sorry, we can't curse in here, but Moldova, Bermuda Triangle. Coming to us from the Bermuda Triangle. You got some good satellite out there. You must have that Starlink. Oh, yeah. Someone asked earlier about that Starlink IPO. Yes, I'm excited about that. Roblox. Yes, excited about the IPO. I heard it's going to be on the 20th of next month. Coinbase, nervous about that IPO. Already valued at $77 billion, so nervous about that one. Andrew, Koss is on liftoff. Is Koss flying too? I'm going to have to pull something else off the watch list here. We're going to have to watch more of these meme stonks, guys. Back to the meme stonks. Oh my goodness, look at Koss, guys, up 98%. That's what I'm saying. Watch these other meme stocks. So my internet is far more expensive than Starlink. So I'd be happy to have Starlink. Starlink is the SpaceX satellite subsidiary with Elon Musk. And they opened up for pre-orders. We actually had a guy in the chat send his... He got his delivered and was working already. Sent a video in to us. It was pretty cool. Yeah, look at Koss is up 100%, guys. Andrew says Koss is the most shorted. The squeeze is on. I got my pre-order in for Starlink too. They're telling me it's going to be 2022 before I can have it in Alaska. Probably just because of shipping. Chris, that's me. The Starlink guy. Thanks for sending that in. That was really cool to see, Chris. Okay, they said second half of 2021 for you in Arizona. Oh, the squeeze can happen anytime. It's those guys need to cover. They need to buy shares at any time. They're going to try to buy them at the cheapest, most inopportune times for us. This is the kind of green I like to see on the board, guys. Even naked's trading higher still. 141 now. Yeah, we showed some Starlink live on the stream. Chris got it. You can order it. Go to starlink.com and you can order $99. CTRM could be next. It could be. Let's think back to the original like the top 10 original Wall Street bets. I have all those files saved, those photos saved back when I was making those lists. I'm gonna look through those for a second here, guys, and see if I can't find us some more opportunities. If not for tonight, for in the morning.